Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtone of your Samsung A71. Of course, you can change the notification sound. As you see, go to the settings now and search for options sound and vibration here. And now you have a list of the ringtones, so tap it on it. And you can choose the SIM1 or SIM2 the ringtone. And for the first time, we're gonna choose the ringtone from our SIM1. It doesn't sound anything because we have the volume down, so volume up to get the sound, and now hear the voice. Wow, it's great. I think now choose the SIM2 ringtone instead of this is the great movie. Ringtone is too great, so I'm gonna choose it now. Notification sound for our SIM1 laser is good, and SIM2 prism and laser. Wow, it's good to know it. Now you have your new ringtone and new notification sound on your phone. Of course, you can choose the volume of it, like you see ringtone media notification and system in it. And that's it for now. The extra option is the vibration pattern. You don't hear it, but I feel it. And here you can choose the vibration option which you preferred. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!